bang plano sa buhay? Ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve? How about yung places and countries na gusto mong mapuntahan? Lahat ng mga tao ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap. Ang tanong lang, handa ka na ba para makuha yung mga yon? Ano-ano ang ginagawa mong steps para makuha ang future goals mo? Insurance gives you peace of mind. You don't have to stress over the smallest details of your life. And the biggest part of it, hindi mo kailangang isipin ang future mo because you already have a sure answer to it. When you have an insurance plan in place, financial security, home safety, medical assurance, and many more can be covered with insurance. Hindi mo kailangang i-worry ang napakaraming bagay as long as you're willing to pay for insurance now and at a small price too. So, when it comes to relieving you from the anxieties of the future, sign up for an insurance plan. Marami kang makukuhang benefits na we're sure you'll enjoy in the long run. Kailangan mo pa ba ng reason to sign up? We don't think so. Go na and follow me for more tipid tips like this. Thank you.